wanted to kind of give you a little bit of a Cliff Note version of what the webinar will cover.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, it's about 45 minutes long. I'm just going to kind of throw up some slides. It's really it's how to invest in turnkey properties. In other words, put your head on the pillow. And in Austin, Texas, Silicon Valley of the South, with minimal time, effort, and capital. The bottom line is that most of my clients are, very busy, whether it be high tech or medical. They're very busy. They don't have a lot of time.
Right. So
they want to put their trust in somebody who they can sit and go into our system. And they don't want to put a whole lot of effort, because they could put it in the stock market, which is kind of scary these days. But at least that's not a lot of effort, right?
Yeah.
And then not a lot of capital. I mean, we're talking minimal amount of $50,000 or $40,000. I mean, it is a chunk of change, but for a real estate investment, that's a lot less than you would pay in the coast to try to get things going. So, one of the basis of our presentation is the disparity between the values in the West Coast and here in Austin. So, kind of showed you this chart before, this picture before. This is a house one of my clients sold in San Mateo, California, for $1.4 million. It's a three bedroom, one bath house with a 1-car garage, built in the 50s. It was nicely renovated. $1.4 million. This is what $1.4 million buys you in Austin, Texas. 4,500 square foot custom house, 5-car garage on the lake.
Mm-hmm.
So, this is kind of a wake up scene now that people can now work from home. A lot of the companies are saying, well, great, look, work from this home instead of this home.
Yeah, we don't care where you are.
Yeah, come on out.
Right.
And we actually seen that. We talked about that in the show. The office spaces may not be nearly as much in demand as it was. Now, you could also take this one house like Mr. Bill did, I call him Mr. Bill, that's his first name, who sold this house, and he did what's called a 1031 Tax-Deferred Exchange and bought these 9 houses from me, and all brand new, right here in the Central Texas region. He went from a rent that he was collecting of $3,200 a month here to over $13,000 rent here.
Yep. Yeah. Wow.
So just as my perfect client would be somebody who owns one of these as a primary residence and maybe one of these as a rental. He can sell that one, or she can sell it and buy one of these from me here in Austin, Texas, and then the other house can go for these 9 houses where he doesn't have to work anymore.
Right.
So that's my perfect client. So if you're out there, please
find Kenn. He's easy to find.